Is your Steam download speed constantly dropping to 0 bytes per second? It is one of the most frustrating errors on Steam. But in this video, I will show you 4 proven methods to fix it permanently. Let's jump straight into it. First, let's clear any corrupted temporary files. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and go to Settings. Select the Downloads tab, scroll down and click the Clear Cache button. Confirm by clicking Confirm. Steam will restart automatically and you will need to log back into your account. Check if your download stabilizes. If that did not work, here is a secret trick from Reddit that solves connection congestion. In the same download settings, look for the option that says Limit Bandwidth. Toggle this option on, and in the box below, type in a limit that is slightly lower than your actual internet speed. For example, if you have a 100 megabit connection, set it to 80. This prevents Steam from overloading your network and dropping the speed to 0. Next, your local Steam server might be overloaded or having connection issues. While you are still in the download settings, click on the Download Region drop-down menu and change your current location to a different nearby country or a major city. Right after doing that, open your Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type in the command ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. This will completely refresh your network configuration. If the issue persists, your storage drive is bottlenecking and cannot keep up with the data. Open Windows Search, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand the section called Disk Drives. Right-click on your main SSD or HDD and select Properties. Go to the Policies tab, uncheck the box that says Enable Write Caching on the device, and click OK. If it is already unchecked, try checking it instead. This changes how Windows writes data to your drive and stops the random pauses. One of these methods will definitely fix your Steam download. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to EasyWay for more fast and direct tech guides. See you in the next one.